Hello, I'm Tanner Aherin with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. Protect your calves more completely with concurrent use of Enforce 3 and one-shot BVD. Together they stimulate a rapid immune response. Learn more at CompleteCalfProtection.com. Live cattle futures and fed cattle cash prices have trended higher since last fall. And during that same time, open interest jumped on the bandwagon and recently entered record high territory, and on March 18th surpassed the 440,000 contract mark for the first time ever. In the past, open interest has provided some insight on where the market is headed. Typically, there's a strong correlation between open interest and the direction of the market during the first half of the calendar year. The seasonal index suggests open interest peaks near the beginning of April and then consolidates for at least 30 days. After the stabilization period, open interest will likely decline, mirroring the expected trend of the market. For open interest to grow to record levels, new buyers and sellers must enter the futures complex. The majority of the new sellers were commercial traders utilizing futures to manage risk, while the new buyers primarily consisted of managed money traders or speculators, along with swap dealers who fall under the category of index traders. In fact, when the managed money long and swap long positions are combined, the total is also record large. The growth in speculative and index long positions was one factor fueling the rally. The reason traders added historic length is because of supportive fundamentals which have been driven by the weather influence. Eventually, the speculative traders will liquidate from the extreme position, and their selling will likely pressure the live cattle complex. Looking back, this action has typically caused an impulsive short-term drop in futures. However, there have been a couple periods when the liquidation process is more orderly. Because the flow of outside money can have serious implications on the volatility of live cattle futures, and open interest usually moves in parallel with the market, it will be critical to monitor these factors going forward. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.